Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi says passage of Women's Reservation Bill indicates strong and decisive government. Government spends over 22 crore on consultants appointed in different departments, says Chief Minister. Damal Azim Police Station officially sanctioned by government, informs Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. And Henry Lalim Sangha sends legal notice to Dr. Mukul Sangma. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the Nari Shakti Vandhan Adhinayam or Women's Reservation Bill is no ordinary law but announcement of New India's new democratic commitment. Addressing the Nari Shakti Vandhan Abhinandan Karyakram at BJP headquarters in New Delhi today, Mr. Modi congratulated every woman of the country on passage of the bill in the parliament. The Prime Minister said that the decision will be celebrated and remembered by the generation to come.
देश की मातृशक्ति का जो मिजाज बदलेगा, जो विश्वास पैदा होगा, वो देश को नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाने वाली एक अकल्पनीय अप्रतिम शक्ति के रूप में उभरेगा, ये मैं अनुभव करता हूं.
The state government has incurred 22.56 crore rupees during this financial year on 124 consultants appointed for different departments. In reply to a question raised by Miani D. Shira, legislator of AITC from Ampati, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the total number of consultants currently appointed specifically for externally aided projects is 59. According to the Chief Minister, the consultants are technical experts who are brought into the system on a task basis. They are engaged mainly for the centrally sponsored scheme CSS and externally aided projects EAPS. He said that the cost for payment to the consultants has been incorporated within the project cost.
As you are aware, are basically experts, technical experts who are brought into the system on a task basis, and therefore on a specific task they are brought in, and they are obviously, sir, in a way a contractual team that is brought in, and they are experts in their field.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today stated that the Damal Azim Police Station was officially sanctioned by the government on August 23, 2017. Subsequently, it was inaugurated on August 28, 2017. Replying to a query by Dadingray legislator Rupa Marak, Tinsong revealed that the land on which the police station at Damal Azim stands was donated by the Nokma, ensuring its permanent presence in the community.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to State Question 175. Sir, the police station at Damal Azim was created and notified by the government on 23rd August 2017. B. Sir, the police station at Damal Azim was inaugurated on 28 August 2017. C. Sir, the land was donated by the Nokma for setting up of the police station at Damal Azim.
The legal team representing Henry Larim Sangha, the chairman of 2B's group of companies, has issued a legal notice in response to Dr. Mukul Sangma's allegation that Larim Sangha was an alleged drug kingpin and demanded compensation of 20 crore rupees for injury to Larim Sangha's reputation. Responding to the query, Dr. Mukul said he is yet to receive the legal notice. Dr. Mukul said he needs to see under what provision of law he is served with legal notice.
I will see what type of legal notice is given and what are the provisions of law under which he is sending me this notice. There are also certain aspects which they will be knowing, their legal team will be knowing. So we'll deal with them as they come. It has been more of an advisory to the Honorable Chief Minister. It is only the Chief Minister who has taken it outside the House. He should send a legal notice to the Chief Minister.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the CM Elevate program yesterday at Vivanta, Shillong. Launching the CM Elevate program, the Chief Minister aimed at engaging, employing and empowering the youth of Meghalaya through entrepreneurship, which he believed serves as a holistic solution for fulfilling the business needs. The CM Elevate program is a comprehensive solution tailored to the diverse business needs of Meghalaya's citizens. Notably, the program features a user-friendly single-window portal for applications, ensuring a seamless experience for aspiring entrepreneurs.
We need to develop the skills at the grassroots level. So you will also see that the Meghalaya Skills Program and the MSSDS program that we're doing is also ensuring that we're mapping the investments we're making, the entrepreneurs that we're creating, the requirements that they have. We're supporting the different self-help groups to be able to support these entrepreneurs, feed them with the kind of products that they require. At the same time, we're looking at all of these industries, we're realizing these skills are required, and hence the MSDSS and other departments are looking at the skill aspect also to create the manpower and train them to be able to feed these industries.
The KHADC unanimously resolved to recall the KHAD Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 during the special session of the Council today. It was also resolved to allow the Executive Committee to constitute a committee which will comprise members from both ruling and opposition to fine-tune and rectify the defects in the bill before it is reintroduced in the House. Earlier, KHADC Deputy CEM Pinchngan and Aim had tabled a report of the advisory committee headed by Senior MDC Bindo Matthew Lanong on its recommendations to the views and observations given by the Law Department on the Clan Bill.
Ini dismuknya apa ya? Kumpulan pembau di sini kalian ini ajimut si ikam beria latih tamunya tapi isi. Ini misro bahkan ini ketika interest memiliki baru atau imut di members, but ketika interest jom ipat beri kasih gitu. Tadi hiyo ini kabil kumkaan mentraikan ya lah syukun kumlo bantunya saat kritik justru ini ABD pun kaca bertubi-tubi bentar. Nomor terkenal semua kasyom hani baru bentar. Lada dia berhak tu bakal tu ini apa? Lada dia berhak revisit yang review yang tu kasyom agaknya. Dengan semua bantu tu yang kalian lihat, kumpulan kita hani pada Thailand tentang kebahagiaan ini kerana bayar kan dikasih rutin yang Thailand hari ini.
The Dorbar Shnong of Lum Dat Kla, Bhoi Rimbong organized a community meeting on Wednesday in a bid to inform the villagers about an upcoming proposal for a scientifically designed solid waste management plant intended to promote the well-being of both the community and the environment. Village headman S.T. Rimpe and other members of the Dorbar Shnong had submitted a proposal for the establishment of a solid waste management plant in Lum Dat Kla. Currently, the village has initiated the construction of necessary fencing funded by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council as an initial step in its vital undertaking. Furthermore, the leaders revealed that the proposal had been forwarded to the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi with the hope of securing funding through the Swachh Bharat mission. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 24.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96%, while in the evening it was 78%. Rainfall was recorded at 13.3 millimeter. Forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi says passage of Women's Reservation Bill indicates strong and decisive government. Government spends over 22 crore on consultants appointed in different departments, says Chief Minister. Damal Azim Police Station officially sanctioned by government, informs Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. And Henry Larem Sangha sends legal notice to Dr. Mukul Sangma. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.